today's video, we're going to create some unique vehicles and put them to the test by challenging them to break through paper walls. Let's find out which one will be crowned champion. First up, we have the Crusher machine, equipped with a front lined with sharp gears, almost like a powerful drill. It starts off against a single-layer paper wall, but unfortunately, it couldn't break through. Next, meet our second vehicle, the 4-spindle drill, designed with 4 rotating drill heads like fan blades. Watch closely as it charges at the wall. And succeeds in breaking through. Now let's increase the difficulty with a thicker paper wall. Look at that. The vehicle's front spins wildly, tearing through the wall. Though it suffers some damage, but still completes the task. With an even thicker wall, this vehicle pushes to its limits, but ultimately falls short. What a tough challenge. Up next is a new warrior equipped with a powerful chainsaw head. Unfortunately, it fails on its first attempt. Let's give it another shot. This time, it unleashes all its power, tearing through the paper wall impressively. When we try a thicker wall, it only manages a few small cracks and can't break through completely. Now we have another vehicle with a massive drill head. Let's get it in action. Oh no, the vehicle took some damage and one of its wheels fell off. But even with the setback, it manages to powerfully break through the wall. However, when tested on an even thicker wall, this vehicle has to concede defeat. For the next challenge, we'll try breaking some balloons. The first few vehicles struggle to complete the task. Wow, this one finally succeeds. Impressive! The last vehicle seems a bit weak, and also can't get through. today I'll be guiding you through some incredibly impressive and unique vehicle models. Let's take a look and explore each masterpiece together. First up, we have a vehicle with a fairly simple yet powerful design, featuring a central motor and 4 wheels around it. Just pop in the batteries and it's ready to roll. Super convenient, right? Next we have vehicle number 2. It looks like a giant iron elephant. With thick armor and powerful laser cannons, this one is a true warrior. Watch as it moves slowly on its 4 sturdy legs, like a machine straight out of a sci-fi movie. Our third vehicle has a pretty unique design with a vertical motor. Connected to 2 chains and 4 small wheels. This one moves quickly and smoothly. Very impressive, don't you think? Then there's vehicle number 4. Equipped with 2 motors and 4 triangular-shaped paddles. Let's see how it moves. This machine has a funny, interesting look to it. Finally, we have the 5th masterpiece, a tank-like vehicle with a solid frame, gears, chains, and a tracked chain design. This rugged vehicle looks ready to tackle any challenge that comes its way. Stay tuned to see how each of these amazing vehicles performs.